Everybody's talking about AI these days. But what's really happening? Let's find out. Let's start in Japan, where a new AI system is revolutionizing healthcare. It's predicting patient outcomes with 95% accuracy. Over in Europe, AI is fighting climate change. Researchers are using AI to optimize wind farms, making renewable energy more efficient than ever. Meanwhile, in the USA, a breakthrough in AI-powered education is taking place. Personalized learning plans are being crafted for students, boosting their success rates. And don't forget China. They've just unveiled an AI-driven traffic management system that's reducing congestion by 30%. Amazing, right? Now, let's talk about the ethical side. The UN is stepping in, proposing new global guidelines to ensure AI development remains safe and fair. This is crucial as AI continues to grow and integrate into our daily lives. So, there you have it, a quick tour of the AI world. Stay tuned for more updates and keep your eyes on the future.